Hey there, it's Mark. There's a reason why I hardly ever buy anything off of the Monster Jam Superstore. For one, a lot of times the prices are double what they are in the stores. Why should they be double? They get the trucks, they get them at cost, right? Anyways, I just wanted to show that it's still sealed. I don't want to show the whole side because my address is there. But look, the label was coming off, and guess what they did? Somebody decided to use a staple to try to get the label to stay on. Is that ridiculous or what? So I rarely buy common trucks off of the Superstore because, for one, the price. So if for some reason they have like the chases, like the training trucks, then I'll buy those. But check it out. As usual, it doesn't sound like there's any packing material. Amazing. By the way, the box they used is 15 by 10 by 6. Let's go ahead and get my knife and check it out. And let's see how the cards are. Oh yeah, look at all that. Look at all that air. Look at all that packing material. Let's see. Any styrofoam? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. And they get these straight out of the case, I assume. Well, they're not mint anymore. This is a training truck, so this is the chase for Spin Masters Monster Jam trucks. Here's a peek at the back in case you want. Now, some of them I thought, I'll be able to find them. So some I didn't buy, some I did. I think I bought that one, and there was an Avenger right there. I wanted to make sure I got one Avenger because if I don't find it in the stores, it's definitely one that I want because I collect red, white, and blue diecast. And there you go. That's perfect for my collection. Check it out, Stars and Stripes. And the other side is not the same. You can see this side is blue. And then it fades to red and white. And the back of the truck looks like it's red and white as well. I'm going to keep this in the package for now. This one, well, I could have came out of the case like that. I don't know. This one doesn't show the same trucks on the back. It's hard to keep track. You know what? I just buy what I like, and I don't worry about what series it is. This is Series 14. I don't buy everything. I got these because they were affordably priced as training trucks, but I can feel a soft corner here. This thing is creased. Look, all the way it's creased. Fantastic. Look at that, feathered corners. Just terrible. I have something down here. Hopefully you couldn't see that. Otherwise, I'll have to edit it out. So if I want to use them in a video, I have them. I was lucky enough to find one on the pegs. Even though Monster Jam Dad was going to help me out in case I didn't find one. I did find one, so now I have another one. Look at that. Oh, my God. What do you think? Do you think that happened in a box? I cannot imagine that that kind of damage happened in a case box like this. Just embarrassing. Embarrassing. If there was an eBay shipper that shipped like this, everybody would be ticked off. This is the official Monster Jam Superstore. The store. It's their brand, Monster Jam. And this is how they represent their brand. Just send beep out. Who cares? They got the money. Embarrassing. Now I found I did find, I think, one of these trucks here, the Dragonoid. The other color truck, Bakugan, I forget. There's the other truck. I was able to find actually a few of the other color trucks. So I got those in the stores. This one, I think I only got one. So it's like, well, I want to pick up a couple. It's a good thing it's on a mint package, huh? Maybe not. Just embarrassing. And people complain. They keep complaining. There's Monster Jam or Monster Truck message boards. And people keep complaining. And guess what? It falls on deaf ears. And I know that companies they have staffing problems right now because of the virus, right? So it's hard for them with staffing, I assume. But they're not running any events, so it's like You should be able to have people able to take care of this stuff. I don't know, but there you go. Wow, what a mess. I do open most of my stuff, and I will be doing downhill racing with the monster trucks. That will probably be on Race Grooves, but I don't know, it might wind up on Race Grooves TV. So you might want to subscribe to those channels. That is, if you like to see racing. This Mr. Grooves channel is for collecting. Thanks for watching. Happy collecting. Bye-bye.